Only two riding modes: performance with ABS on and eco with ABS on. There is no switchable ABS on this. How is this? 450. Gorilla. The shotgun that we saw, remember when we went to pick up my bike?
Yeah, shotgun, correct.
Yeah. This is the Himalayan but small version.
Nice and low, na?
Super low and super light. Check it out.
Yeah, damn low.
Right?
Light.
Right? I actually like this much better than the Speed 400. The way the positioning, the seating, everything. The Speed 400 is very low. It feels so small. This, so with new switch gear, you have to push it this way.
It's a neutral.
No, yeah, it's a neutral.
Wow, it's like a toy.
It is amazing, and it is actually so engine is the same, but the gearing ratio is different. The first and second gears, literally, like if you don't hold on to the handles, you will fly off. Yeah.
Very slippery.
Aram, yeah, wherever it's not slippery. Slowly. It looks so good. It looks amazing also. He's like your chaperone. Look at him. Come, let's go for like a proper ride.
You ride?
Yeah. And it's super lightweight. Only 180 kgs compared to all the other bikes.
Really cool. Very nice. So cool, huh? But is it safe being so light?
Yeah. There are bikes that are lighter than this, no?
Is it?
Like the Aprilias are 175, KTM's are 169. You know, that's how light sports bikes are. This is not light. So this is the same as the Himalayan. This chassis is the same. This part is different, and this part is different. But everything in the middle is the same as the Himalayan. So the engine and this part, you know, this part is the same as the Himalayan. This, the radiator, engine, everything is the same. Only thing this part is different. This part is different.
This
Yeah, you
For
can
parking.
exactly for parking. And the gearing ratio is different.
I
So
need this on my bike.
I know even my bikes don't have that.
Because I
Come.
can do that I can ride for mine otherwise.
Sit.
Should I sit?
Yeah.
Go slower.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Flying, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
certain Madhya, you also allow
Oh, I do. Oh.
they don't come that Madhya.
Yeah, नहीं लगाया अभी तक सब. This is just the test bike, right?
Old bike from the
Yeah, that guy has been calling me since last week. आके देखो ना, आके देखो ना.
गोरेगांव है हमारे.
नहीं नहीं विले पार्ले वाला. So I was like, I'm super busy. I'll see when I can come. So it wasn't raining today. So I said, let's go if it's not raining. The roads are mostly dry. सिर्फ जहाँ पे
How expensive?
cheaper than the 400. Cheaper than the Triumph.
Triumph.
Yeah, much
I
cheap.
like Triumph.
I think
For real life.
so. Starting price is 240, 239.
Okay.
The base one, but the base one doesn't get this nice little speedo like the Himalayan.
Okay.
It gets the old 350 wala speedo.
It's really nice.
Yeah, this you can connect your phone and everything.
Right.
You can answer phone calls, change music, everything using this switch over here. Using this, and you can change the. So now भी दिख रहा है ये analog है. Now I'll change it to digital, and यहाँ पे पूरा maps display हो सकता है.
Wow.
Yeah, maps, music, phone calls, everything will be displayed here. So now check out the second gear, huh? It is really good, right?
Fall off. Not using it behind.
Exactly. And I didn't even use like full power. Like that was just like 10%. That was literally 10%.
Now don't go.
No, I won't. Obviously, I won't.
But my hand is phone.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, see, I've written the 400, the Triumph 400 and the 400 Scrambler.
Okay.
Both are nice, but none of them I got this kind of feeling. Like, you know, like बैठने के बाद.
What type of a bike? Not a cruiser. Not
No,
a
this
Scrambler.
is a roadster.
Like the Hunter.
Yeah, like Hunter. Yeah, exactly.
But ये बिल्कुल off-road के लिए नहीं चलेगा थोड़ा.
So, see,
What I do.
you can always, any bike can be an off-road bike. Okay, it may not be able to go to extreme
Yeah.
but this actually has slightly off-road tires. I think this has 80-20 off-road tires, so like 20% off-road kind of tires. They have not given this pure road tires also.
Right.
You know, we'll go to the end of this and come back. This is only third gear. Lot of power, and because it's lighter than it flies. Like I thought my Himalayan was powerful, but yeah, I mean, this is the same engine, but because of the lighter weight and the gearing ratio is also different. The sprocket size is different in this, which makes it pick up faster. Like you don't know when you hit like 70. आराम से 70-80 पहुंच जाता है without any issue. Yeah, you really have to be careful on second gear, first and second. ये कितना modulate करते हो ना, बहुत carefully करना पड़ता है. ये देख, like मैं थोड़ा ये दिया and वो झटका feel होता है. Oh sorry, this will repeat. Yeah. super nice. Like, oh, this has the same issue. No, this has the same issue as the Himalayan. The right leaning issue.
अच्छा
Yeah, like I was going fast enough, but it was still no. Maybe I don't know. Let's try it at like around 40. Because Himalayan had the same issue. It would lean to the right.
you can't leave your hand.
You can't. Yeah, I got that fixed. But you know, it's uneasy. थोड़े इसके लिए yeah, you let the bike see it's going to the right. You have to like body weight, so you have to control it a little bit. I think it's a suspension का configuration issue.
But the braking is at ABS or whatever.
Yeah. So braking, everything is the same. It has good Brembo brake pads and Vibray brakes. So it's all Brembo only.
Okay.
Only thing it doesn't have is the modes. It doesn't have the off-road modes in this. There's only performance mode. So
मेरे में भी नहीं है ना।
नहीं, हाँ तेरे में इसमें भी you can't really. So ये देख, इसमें सिर्फ राइडर मोड परफॉर्मेंस ABS ऑन है एंड परफॉर्मेंस इको ऑन. मेरे इसमें ऑफ भी है. So you can switch off the ABS in my Himalayan. In this you can't switch off the rear ABS. So you can't slide your tire.
Same like me.
Same like yours, yeah. So that's where they have like reduced the price a little bit.
Very nice bike.
Yeah, I was like, time hai aaj, let me go test ride it. And he was like, I asked him, can I take it for like a good hour? He's like, हाँ, लेके जाओ. Normally they don't bother to give you that चालान, the form and everything. वो सब बना के दिया मेरे को. कर दो, exchange कर दो, I'm telling you.
हाँ bike drop. Because I can't reach the pro ना.
हाँ, exactly. This is like, you know, lower, just as capable, you know, more powerful. Now you have experience with, you know, larger bikes and, you know, sort of faster bikes. So this is like a next level upgrade, you know. And you'll get a,
I couldn't do now.
yeah, exactly. But you'll get like a decent exchange value for it. See, don't just think time-wise. You have crossed 20,000 kilometers on that.